when you multiply radicals, it's like when you multiply normally, but inside a radical. So a times b would be ab. And in this case, a times a is a squared, but it cancels with the radical. So you will only get an a. Now, for example, if you have radical 3 and times a radical 5, you get radical 15. And if you have radical 5 times radical 5, you get 5 squared or 25. So 5.
So this is our problem, and the first thing you need to know is how to get the area of a triangle. The formula is base and height divided by 2. Now that you know this, the next thing you're going to do is divide these numbers. The 54, you're going to divide it into 9 and 6. So you get the 9 out of the radical and you get a 2. This number, you're going to divide it into 16 and 6. Okay, the 16 you get it out of the radical and you get a 4. Now this number, you're going to divide it into 6 and 4. And the 4 is going to get out of the radical and you get a 2. Then this number is going to be 25 and 6. And the 25 you get it out of the radical and you get a 5. Now, you're going to multiply this one and this one. And now, you multiply it and you get 10 and 36. And now the 36 is going to be a 6 now because you get it out of the radical. 10 times 6 is equal to
60.
Very good. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to divide this one by 2 because that's the formula. And you get 30. And that's your area. And now the perimeter, you're going to add this one, and this one, and this one. And you add it, and you have 12 and 6. And this is your perimeter. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so today we're gonna talk about how to solve radicals. In this example, we're gonna solve the area and the perimeter of this rectangle. So first you're gonna divide the number 80 and the number 45 so that your radical is smaller. So you're gonna divide the 80 in 16 and 5 so that you can get the 16 out of the radical. And you can get a 4. And the 45, you can divide it in 9 and 5, so you can get the 9 out of the radical, and get a 3 and a 5. Now to get the area, you gotta multiply base times height. So you multiply 4 in the radical of 5 times 3 in the radical of 5. So you get 12, and the radicals also multiply, so you get a 25. And you get the 25 out of the radical. That would be 5, and 12 times 5 is 60. So your area of the rectangle is 60. The perimeter is to add all the sides of the rectangle. So you add the 4 in the radical 5, plus the 3 in the radical 5, plus the 4 radical 5 again, plus the 3 radical 5. Because this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. So when you add them, you get 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. And that is 14. And your radical stays the same. And that would be your perimeter.
I'm going to talk about the most common mistakes we do when we multiply or add radicals. The first mistake is when you multiply these ones, but you leave the radicals the same. When you have an addition and you add these ones, but also add these ones, and in addition, you leave these ones the same. The next common mistake is when you multiply these ones normally, but then you forget to put the radical sign in your answer. And the next common mistake is when you forgot that this one counts as a 1 and you count it as a 0, and you leave it the same as this one. Now that we know that this is incorrect, we're going to show you the real process. when you multiply radicals, you should be multiplying these ones and multiply also the ones that are in the radical side. And then you simplify and you make the 25 as a 5. When you add radicals, the number that is outside adds. And the one that is inside should stay the same. When you multiply radicals, you multiply the number that is inside the radical, but don't forget to put your radical sign. And then take a simplify, and you have 6. You should know that these ones count as a 1 outside. And when you add 5 and 1, you get a 6.